Zoom after Zoom after Zoom meeting. Zoom fatigue is real. Let's talk about how to beat Zoom fatigue so that you can stay at the top of your game. Before we dive into the video, I want to quickly recommend one of the best YouTube channels out there on helping you improve your communication skills. Go visit communication coach Alex Lyon, or you can click the link below in the description. So I want to talk about 3 tips that you can use right now or in your next meeting to help you feel more at ease when you are doing all of the Zoom calls that you are doing. And tip number 1 is to build in breaks. How often are you saying to other people, hey, how's it going? Hey, what's on your mind? But how often do you ask yourself, how am I doing? If you care about your success, professionally and personally, you need to be able to build in breaks for yourself. That means you need to be able to schedule time in your calendar for you to take breaks because you're having a meeting with who? You're having a meeting with yourself. You can meditate, you can stretch out, you can even put on a YouTube video. Tip number 2, tell people that you've been on thousands of Zoom calls today, or maybe if this is the beginning of the day, you can just tell them, hey, today I have many Zoom calls. Do you mind if I just shut off my screen so I can be here in the moment with you, but I'm still on the phone? Here's an example of what I mean. I was talking with this client, and this was maybe at 6 p.m. at night, and she said to me, okay, I've been in a full day of Zoom meetings. You mind if I put this phone down and just talk to you? And I said, hey, I completely understand. So don't be afraid to express that you've been on Zoom all day long. Hey, I have a quick question for you. Do you want to know what's holding your speaking back? Take the speaker assessment below to find out. Tip number 3 is to move around. Let me ask you this question. Have you noticed that you've been sitting all day long and your body, it could be your body, it could be your neck, it could be your back, it could be your hands, they're aching, they're getting tired. Maybe you're losing blood in your hand because of the way you're sitting. When you're in your next Zoom meeting or presentation, you can say, hey, do you guys mind if I stand up and talk? I've been sitting all day long. They'll probably don't care. You can just flip your screen up, and you will make a big difference for you. Make sure you change up your location for your conference calls. Once you change up your location, you'll also change your energy. And of course, when you change up the whole aspect of things, like when I'm just changing angles now, I have to move my body, I have to move my chair, and I completely feel different because of where I am at now. So don't be afraid to just change the angle a little bit. You can change it here, you can change it there, right? Just change it up for you. If you don't invest in yourself, why should others? If you are serious about your speaking growth, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm here to help you succeed as a speaker. You have to, 1, schedule time to take in breaks for yourself. Don't be afraid to tell people, I've been on Zoom calls all day long. Do you mind if I shut off my screen? And number 3, move your body.